Hello everyone, Thomas Calla here with Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria marketplace. Here today to bring you 4 tips when selling your home. Number 1, clear the clutter. Number 2, easy to clean curb appeal. Number 3, smells fresh. Number 4, master bedroom. And if you stick around for that, I'll give you a bonus tip. So number 1, clear the clutter. What does that mean? If you're looking at your bathroom, do you have toothpaste and toothbrushes hanging around, a hair comb, a small mirror? In your bathtub, do you have 15 bottles of shampoo lying around the seal of your bathtub? Clear all that stuff away, put it under the vanity, hide it away so you have a nice, fresh and clear countertop and a nice, fresh and clear bathtub. Make it look appealing to people to walk through. And if you're looking at your kitchen, do you have a bunch of stuff all over your countertops like spoons, extra cutlery, kettles, small toasters? Clear all that stuff away, pack it under the kitchen cabinets and the vanities, making sure you have a completely open kitchen countertop so it looks like you have ample amount of storage. Number 2, easy to clean curb appeal. What does that mean? Very simple. Clear your windows, your gutters, give them a quick pressure wash, your sidewalk leading up to your front entrance. You can actually hire a company for under $1,000 just to give your outside of your home a quick fresh look with just a pressure washer and some cleaning. So easy to clean curb appeal, small investment makes a big difference if you don't want to do it yourself. The third one is the smell. So do you have dogs, kids, pets, kids under 2? Does your home smell pretty bad? If you can't smell it, you're probably used to it. Have a friend or a neighbor pop by just to see if it does smell. So freshen up that home by opening a few windows for showings and have a few scents going off, maybe essential oils, not too much. So we've walked through some homes where you can hardly breathe because they have essential oils in every room. But just a small hint of some fresh air through the home will make a big difference, and some small scents here and there in each room when people come in. So make sure your home smells fresh. The fourth one is your master bedroom. This is a focal point for a lot of people when they walk through the master bedroom. So it's very important to make sure that your bed is made very nice. No big wrinkles in your duvet or comforter. The towels look good. So the focal point when people walk in, they're going to see the bed. How does it look? Does it look appealing? Does your nightstand table have 300 magazines and a bunch of coffee cups laying around? Clear those off. Make sure your master bedroom looks simple and clean when people walk through. Makes a big difference when you're selling your home. And the last tip I'll give for you, number 5, is choose the right agent for you. Very important. Interview a few agents to pick the right agent that you feel that's going to sell your home fast for top dollar with the least amount of hassle. You don't want your home to be on the market for 6 months or a year with no activity. So choosing the right agent is very important. I recommend interviewing a few agents to see which agent works best for you, and also look at their Google reviews. It makes a big difference when you're hiring an agent. You want to be 100% satisfied, and obviously you want to make sure selling your home is stress-free with no hassle. If you have any questions about buying or selling a home in Victoria or looking to invest in Victoria, feel free to give me a call. Drop a line below or comment if you have any questions, or check out our website at pinnacleluxuryhomesgroup.com. Thomas Calla with Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria marketplace.